So this is one of my LED boards. This is the USB-C board, and you can see it's got USB-C one side, where goes the other, a little infrared receiver. You can possibly see a tiny little MEMS microphone there. But what I'm really impressed with lately is this. This is the image black 3D prints from China, and that is astounding quality. And you put that in there, it just fits perfectly. I allowed, fractions of a millimetre, and it's done it. I could tighten up those tolerances massively. And I take this, and you can just see, you can just about see the ridges come out here and go in here. They're designed to snap together, and guess what? It snaps together absolutely perfectly. I mean, that is just an awesome 3D printed case. I mean, injection moulding is cheaper, but not at these quantities. This is just ridiculously good. I don't know what to say. That is just amazing. So that's the USB-C LED controller.